Hello, and welcome to this training module. Today we'll master the art of starting and ending professional emails. When making an announcement, use "please be advised that" for formal news, or "please note that" for a neutral tone. For good news, try "we are pleased to announce." If the news is bad, "we regret to announce" is appropriate. When making a request formally, start with "I am writing to request" or "I would appreciate it if you could." For neutral requests or requesting information, "I would like to know if," or a simple "can you please" works well. Following up on a conversation, "as per our discussion" is formal, while "regarding our conversation" is neutral formal. When apologizing, "please accept our apologies" is excellent for formal emails. For minor issues, "I'm sorry but" is fine. To extend an invitation, use "we would like to cordially invite you," and always start with congratulations for good news. Send a friendly reminder for tasks. When delivering bad news, "we regret to inform you" is the standard professional choice. When responding to a complaint, start by thanking the sender. For acknowledgement, use "this is to confirm that." Now let's look at how to end an email professionally to leave a lasting positive impression. After an announcement, end with "should you have any questions, please contact me," or "thank you for your patience." When ending a request, "thank you for your consideration," or "I look forward to your reply," are perfect formal choices. Helpful responses end with "let me know if I can be of assistance." Reiterate your apologies for complaints to show care. Finally, choose your sign-off. Warm regards is formal, while best regards or a simple thanks works for most emails. Thank you for joining this module. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for more English tips. Happy writing!